injection. What you will do? Dependency injection. What is it mean by dependency injection, sir? To make this particular elements independent, you will create an instance of the class in constructor's parameters. You will create an instance of the class in constructor parameters. You remember, ma? This question is very important in interviews, mandatory. Write it here. Private AF angular fire off. Sir, AF, I am just taking it as AF बोले तो angular fire. Okay? Angular fire. Something kind of one. कोई doubt है अभी तक? No. I will also take it something called private router. I also take it something called router. So that whenever, like if someone signed up, if someone registered, imagine the registration is successful. When the registration is successful, what you will do, sir? Imagine you registered successfully in your application. So immediately where the user will go? Huh? Dashboard they will go, basically. Your wish, home page or dashboard. They ask to go to somewhere, na? They won't stay in that one place, na? So to make them go into one place to another place in TypeScript. If it is HTML, sir, you will write it router link. If it is TypeScript, you will use this router. Okay? Very good, sir. Now, let's start here. Let's do different functions. I'm gonna write it some functions here. Write some function asynchronous register em pwd same thing async login em or async logout. So I'm just writing some functions, sir, so that I can use these functions wherever I want. Go here. For someone online who don't know what is it mean by async await, I will tell you. Instead of using promises directly in JavaScript, there is one concept called async await. Await will take it one asynchronous function and it will wait for it. Okay. Like for example, if you use fetch will take some time. Okay, fetch will take some time. To make the fetch thing work and then to get the result, you will use await keyword. And await keyword will work only in functions which are asynchronous. Please refer to the JavaScript for more understanding, but async await basic gist is this. You will use await to resolve the asynchronous functions, and as await will be used only inside the async function. To make the function async, we will use async keyword, and these are predefined. Everyone knows it, right? Async await. Any doubts, ma? No. Go to Angular. Go here. Angular. Sorry. Go to Firebase. Docs. Authentication. I'm just going it here. I'm just checking it here. Authentication. I want web authentication. Get started. If you read the basic authentication, now whenever users are signing up, imagine users are signing it up. New users are coming into your application. When new users are coming into your application, can you see it here, ma? create user with email and password. Create user with email and password. Are we creating this function create user with email and password? Are we creating? No. Angular documentation said it like, sorry, not Angular, Firebase. Firebase documentation said it like, if you want to register someone into a Firebase, you have to use one function called create user with email and password. Next, if you want to log in, sign in with someone, sign in email with password. Very simple. Okay. Or if you want to get anyone state changed, on or state changed, or if anyone wants to do Google authentication, because in our application Google authentication is also there. So it's like you have to take it a Google Auth provider, and after adding Google Auth provider, you also use something like sign in with pop up. Sign in with pop up. Okay. Let's try here. These are the Firebase things. These all are inside Firebase, right or not? Now I am gonna use them because the Firebase is giving it. I am writing a service. I am writing a service. Inside the service, I write one function. What is the function name? Register. Register function will have two values, EM and PWD. What are the values? EM and PWD. Now, if someone calls this register, what will happen, sir? I will write a basic try catch blocks. Why you are writing try catch blocks? So that if you get any error, the error I can find it out in the registration process. Okay. So console.log error. Inside the try block, inside the async await, you can't put it any error finding. So that's why I will use try catch blocks. Okay. Now I will write it here. Const result equals to await. They said it one function, sir. Create user. Why it is not working? Go here. Import @angular/fire. No, it's not. How to enable automatic import? Basically, sometimes automatic import will happen, but sometimes it won't. Auth. Why it is not working? It module create user with email and password. Can you see that? Yeah, it is getting error because from I forgot. Yeah. See, create user with email and password. Now, whenever you are using create email with user and password, it is expecting the auth value and it is also expecting email and password. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's give here. Okay, we don't have any auth value now. I will use this service, sir, Angular service. I will use this dot Angular Firebase dot. Dekho, directly I'm having it. No need to import this silly logics. Usually in React, you will do that. Here you are having one service directly Angular Fireauth that will give. Now I give email here. I give password here. Automatically, if you do this, sign up will happen. Okay. Now I will just print it, whatever the result I'm getting it. Now, if I'm getting the result means automatically I'm successful only now. If I'm successful, where you will go, sir? This dot router dot Navigate. I will navigate to. I will navigate to dashboard. Automatically, I will go to dashboard. Did you see this, sir? Now, same logic. Copy. Sir, same logic. I'm writing it here. Login also. But inside the login, instead of saying it like create user with email and password, I will say sign in with email and password. Because all are coming when you write it this dot AF. Because AF service, like when you write it this dot HTTP client, when you say HTTP client, automatically you are getting get post and all. Na? Same way when you write it as Angular 5 the fire module, automatically it is coming. Okay. Sir, different people will have different approaches. Sir, when they registered, go to login. Your wish. Instead of dashboard, write login. कुछ नहीं होता ना? Is it clear, ma? Are you all getting my point? Someone said it like after registering they will go to home page. कुछ नहीं होता. But it's your wish somewhere to go. Okay. Now our logic is whether it is working or not. I want to see first. Okay. If it is working, later remaining thing or all that. Next, let's write it here something like logout. Okay. So if someone log out, wait, this dot Angular Firebase dot sign out. When they sign out, they will go to the page, login. Next, what more I can do? Login, logout, registered. Uh, if I want to find it out, like whether this guy is correctly logged in or not, he is authenticated. I'm writing some getter, sir. Right. Return this dot f dot state auth state. It will return one observable. Okay, that's nice, not bad. Now, what about Google login, sir? What about Google login? So Google also can have login. Like await Google login. I'm writing one function, Google login. Try and catch. Console dot log error. What is this? Why it is saying it like no? It's not about spelling, na. If spelling is wrong, कुछ नहीं होता ना. Oh, I am writing await. तो ये sync है ना. Await inside रहता. Okay. Now let's write it here. Const provider equals to new Google new Google auth. Go to the top. Go to the top. Go to Control Z. Control V. New Google Auth provider. Once the provider came, once we have a certain provider, sir, using the provider. Basically, provider is me. If you remember when I created Google authentication, at the time it take my email ID. Like based on my email ID, I can able to make other people logged in. That means see anyway other people only will give their mail IDs. But if you remember anytime whenever you are logging into using Google, it will come to like we will take all your data and all continue or not continue kind of thing. So it has to store the whole data with someone's detail. They will take some provider details. Okay, so it will create a new providers, and inside this new providers, let's create it here. Await this dot af dot sign in with pop up. Now inside the pop up, you will put it here provider. The same logic you can use it for Facebook, GitHub, and all the logics. Okay, now const result equals to now console dot log result. Okay, console dot log result. Now inside and again like this, I will just navigate. Imagine if this guy logged in correctly, it will go to dashboard. I created the complete service ma. I created the complete service ma. कोई डाउट है इसमें? कोई डाउट है सर? Sir, any doubt sir in the service? Are everyone clear ma? I hope till now clear. Now this is the service file, but we did not do anything in the login or registration. So let's go here first. CD main. Hmm. Someone is like, what about forgot password and all? देखो, there are so many things. Forgot password, email verification. Okay, बहुत है. I'm not touching that all. Why? Because I'm not having that much time to say you truly. Okay, so I'm not touching that all, sir. So try these things, and in case if you get it anything more, if you wanted to add anything more, I just wanna give you basic gist of what is Angular Firebase. If you wanna get it more, just to do your research, you will get it. It won't take much time for you. Now, let's go. Let's see these two functions now. Close all. All I want is two functions. One is sign up HTML, sign up TypeScript, then login HTML, login TypeScript. Oh, sorry, I opened not found. Login HTML and login TypeScript. Also, did I write it forms module, sir? Inside the module? Yeah, I already wrote it. So I can aram say use NG model. Right or not, sir? Now go here, write it here. Inside this, let's write it here. Email, password. Now write it here. NG model equals to email NG model equals to password. Okay. Or I will put in another button here. Paragraph or here put it in another button. In this button I will say sign in with Google. Now, if someone click on this, click, I will write it here two things. I will write it here two things. First, import, import services, sir. Auth service, auth service. And then write it inside the constructor. Constructor, private, auth service. You write it everything inside the service, and here you are using that service, right or not? Is it clear, ma? Now, inside the auth service, I just imported and I'm writing it here. Now, login. If someone click on login, if someone click on login, then I will write it here. This dot auth service dot login. For this login, I will give email and password. This dot email, email and password. And when I give email and password, I'm getting a promise. See, I'm not getting observable. I'm getting promise. So, then result console.log result. Okay. Now, somewhere I'm getting error here. क्यों? वो इधर है ना? I can able to do that. Google login. This dot is dot Google login. Then response console.log console.log response. Now error क्या है? Here I need to call this. That's it only, na? Any doubt, sir? No. Same logic. Go here. Import. Import. Auth service. Now, after importing auth service, write it here constructor, private, auth service. So it's like AS auth service. Now here, write it here, EM PWD. Sir, you can actually give string. EM is a string and PWD is also string. I am writing it any such, not to get any complex. When you go slowly, when you have time, you need to give a specific data types and all. Make it this project more better. Okay. Now I will go here, sign up, and here someone clicking on sign up here, automatically click sign up. I will call. Then I will go here. I will write it here, sign up. Now inside the sign up, I will write it here, private, this dot, sorry, why private, right? So I'm writing it, this dot, as dot, Google login. For Google login, I'm giving EM and PWD. Sir, you not write login function in login button. What? Oh, barabar. EM and PWD. This dot EM. This dot PWD. Why they are not saying it like, oh, Google login is not expecting any arguments only. Right. I don't need to give email and password for Google login. भूल गया मैं. Good. Then response console. Hey, why I'm using Google login? Ray, mind is not good. Like, see, this dot yes, I have to use register na. This is sign up function. So I have to pass here em बोले तो this dot em comma pwd this dot pwd dot then response response console dot log response. So see, go here, go to login. Login form is there. Now can I click on sign in with Google, sir? Can you see here? Did I write this all? No. Did I created any Google thing and all? No. Basically, Angular Firebase is giving. You have to do it in the backend of Node.js or something, whatever the backend. Without that, Angular Firebase will give you this kind of things. Okay. Or go here, click here, go to registration. Okay. For me, this logic, I don't know why. I will check it something. Sign up form. Now, till now, did I sign up? Till now, did I sign up any details, sir? No. Let's give one email, dummy email. Hello @radhika.com. See, I did not write any logic for checking the email for your kind information. If I write it, it will work. Now write it here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For time constraint, I did not put that eye icon or show hide also. But it's a 2-minute thing. If you use it ngif, it will work. Show hide. Okay. Now, anyway, I will click on sign up. Our logic is when you click on sign up, it will add the details into the Firebase. Okay. And then whenever I log in, it will check these details. And I put it here 128. Okay. Wait out, Emma. Click here, sign up. Strange, nothing happened. So that some error may have come. Go here, see. This operation is restricted to administrators only. What? What does it mean by administrators only, Ray? Service. Is coming this error. Go here, click sign up. Mm-hmm. We are not sending email and password correctly. So email and password auth says no. Only admins can do the client. So we have to check it sign in data. That's the answer. Like what? In registration page line number 2, undefined. It is saying it like somewhere I'm not able to send it these values correctly. Oh, you know why, sir? Did you guys see the error, ma? Darlings, I didn't put NG model only. I am just clicking sign up and I am just giving it here sign up email and password. Email and password either empty hai. I did not put the NG model only. First, I need to give proper email here. NG model, right? I have to connect it now. How can I forget this much logic? NG model, PWD. Now email and password will be proper. They are saying it like your email and ID are not proper. Okay. Now aa gaya. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's refresh it one more time. Now let's enter it here, sir. Let's enter it till radhika.com. Now let's enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I enter this, what is happening? Data binding is happening with the EM and password. And then when I click on this, already EM and password is having the value. Those two values will go to the service. This is our logic now. Now it's correct. See, dashboard page is coming. Right or not? And also, line number 12 is coming undefined. I will check it why. Okay. And in auth service, it is printing the details correctly. In auth service, it is printing the details correctly. Any doubts, ma? Any doubt, ma? No. What is line number 12, right? This one no need to worry. Why? Because this response, whatever is coming, it's basically, empty one only you will get it. Okay. Just whatever when these are successful, you are already getting it when it is successful, the result already there, na? Just here this one is coming it empty because this register one is coming it empty because inside the service for register one you did not send anything. Did you send anything? No, na, here you are not returning anything. उसके लिए उधर नहीं आ रहा. Are you getting my point? Okay, that one is okay. This one is not a bad. Now I just go here. Now the problem is sign out function I need to put. Go here dashboard. Put it here one button. Sign out. Sir, you need to put your own logics of how to put it, whatever you want to put it in dashboard and all. I'm not doing anything in the dashboard. I'm just showing you these things, how it will work. Click. Sign out. So go back here. Import. Auth service. So first if you write service, sir, everything will be easy. Anything you want to do it in Angular, services is like the common data. Okay. You need to write it as service, sir. Now here I will write it here. Sign out. Now inside the sign out, sir, I will write it this dot as dot logout. Automatically it will go to login page. कोई doubt है माँ? Go here. Now see here sign out button. Click here. Logout page is coming. Now if you go to Firebase, sir, this is my Firebase project now. Authentication now. Can you see here already one user registered? Who is that user till@radhika.com and their email ID and their when they created, when they signed in, what is their user ID? Okay. Are you getting my point? Sir, how about validations in sign up? I did not do that. My point is you can do it, right? You can do whatever the validations. I didn't do the validations that I'm agreeing it. Is it clear, ma? If you see the official documentation, there will be something called email verify. There is a default function. See, for forget mail and all, you are having it for forget mail one function, email verification you will have one function. Okay. See, generating email action links. Now, what will happen if you try these functions? It will send email one kind of link, and that link when the user click it, then only it will be activated. Okay, generate password reset link or email reset link, something kind of. Sir, is it possible to deploy over Netlify? Now it is possible to deploy because Firebase is something not your local host. Firebase is something it like cloud only. You can put it in Netlify, automatically you will get the Firebase and all. Kuch nahi hota. Any doubt, sir? Next, let's go here. API. Now, how to put it my data also. I'm using something called dummy JSON slash products API, which is a basic API. Go here. Go here. Go to cart. Go to cart service. There is another service called cart service. Inside this, I'm going to use HTTP client. Import HTTP client. To use HTTP client, go to module and tell them I am using HTTP client. So you need to put HTTP client module. In app, if you are using standalone not equals to false, you don't need this. Okay. Now here private HC HTTP client. HTTP client. Now here get data. If someone call one method get data, then automatically it will return this dot HC dot get inside this whatever the link you want. So inside the link, whatever the value is there, it will come. Okay. Get specific data if I call, and if I give some ID, then it will call same thing, return this dot HC dot get slash ID. So it's like only if I want one product detail, I will use this. If I want multiple product details, I will use that. Any doubts, ma? No. Okay. Now next. Next. Go to your components. I'm using some components like products component. Products component. Go here. Import cart service. Import cart service. Now constructor private CS cart service. Cart service. HC means HTTP client ka value hai, like some kind of instance. Okay. Now the moment this particular products loaded, I want this dot cart service dot get data. It will call the data, then it will write it dot subscribe because it's an observable. We already did this API thing so many times. Whatever the response it is giving it in the observable. So someone is saying it like I have one doubt why give empty curly braces inside the constructor. Normally we give empty because if we don't wanted something to run at starting. For example, see this. Here I wanted to run from starting only. I did not give empty. I am starting it here only. Okay. Now here Now instead of response here, let's print it just console.log response. First we'll see what it is coming when I subscribe. Now go here, go to my, go here, go to products. Products page is coming. Inspect console. Now it is printing one object, sir. Inside the objects, inside the products, the data is there. Inside the object, inside the products, the data is there. So I will take it one array, products, which is of any, having an empty array, and I will write it here. This dot products equals to res dot products. Inside the response, whatever the products are there, that products equals to this property. Products does not exist because it don't know what is existed, what is don't know. Let's give it any, so it will not any have any problem. So now it will come, every data is inside the products. So go to your html and print all the products, sir. H1 products. Now here div hash products, inside them div dot product. Now here I will use something called ng for. Sir, I am using it ng first. You can even use at the rate for. Okay. Let's t of products. Now inside this, I wanted each product to have. I want each product to have something like image. So I will use img tag image. So if I go to the official dummy JSON, how can I have it image? Now image is something like image thumbnail. Image is thumbnail, sir. Image name. So p dot. So I can write it here. P dot thumbnail. P dot title. H2. P dot title. Rating. Paragraph. Paragraph. Now here rating is p dot rating. I will write a pipe. Don't worry. Now here button add to cart. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, my ear? So I think that till now it's clear. Next, just a minute. Now let's go here. Let's go to CSS. Let's make them nice look. Products. I know that I used something called Bootstrap, but some grid-like things, these grid-like things will not work Bootstrap nicely. To make it better, I will use something like this. Grid templates, repeat. Per line, I can say 3 products. Gap of 20 pixel. And I can say every product will have padding 20 pixel inside and having it like border 1 pixel. No need. I will say box shadow 2 pixel, 3 pixel, black, border radius 20 pixel. Sir, dot product hash products. You can see, because why did you put dot product, sir? Why don't you put hash product? Because that product will repeat again and again and again na in the ng for. How can you put it multiple elements same ID? Okay, so multiple elements must have a same class name. If you see it here, I used class only. Products. See, all the products are coming. Any doubt, sir? Someone is asking, is it responsive? You can make it responsive. कुछ नहीं होता. Responsive big deal नहीं है. तो एट द रेट मीडिया क्वेरी लिखे तो रेस्पॉन्सिव हो जाता. एट द रेट मीडिया मैक्स बिट मैक्स बिट 480 560 पिक्सल एट द रेट मीडिया मैक्स बिट 998 पिक्सल. लेट्स राइट इट लाइक 760. नाउ कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. हैश प्रोडक्ट्स grid template columns repeat 1 comma auto remaining all are anyway responsive. Why? Because you are using bootstrap here. You can make it the things responsive only. Any doubt, sir? No. Next. Next. Sir, something I did mistake, I think. No, I don't think so. Now, anyway, let's go here. Let's go to command prompt. CD main. I'm creating one more thing, sir. ng generate pipe star rating. See, this one is not necessary because someone asked it. I'm just doing it. It's like pipe, sir. Why you are writing pipe? You can write it normal function also. Na? I can write function also. If I am writing it pipe is like in different pages, I want different star rating. Star rating, I may use it for comments also. Star rating, I may want it like reviews also. Star rating, I want it like inside the product page also. Right? Multiple pages I wanted to use. So that's why I will create one pipe, sir. Whenever I wanna you put, I will put a pipe symbol and I will use it. It's like my own pipe, na? You remembered we can create our own pipe. So you go here, इधर एक pipe create होता, देखो. Pipe will have something like pipe transform functions, and this pipe will take it the values, sir. Any doubts here? Any doubts, ma? No. So I will have rating. Basically, someone will give one number. Number 4, 5, 4.5, 3.2, something number देता ना. तो नंबर दे दिए तो स्टार्स देना है. That is our logic. Any doubt, sir? Now, next. Maximum stars, how many? If you want it, you can give it. Basically, maximum stars is 5. By default, 5. Sir, any doubts, sir? Online till now, what I'm doing it? Please let me know in case if you get it any doubts. Okay. and I want you to implement more and more functionalities. Like I didn't do filtering, I didn't implement searching. Okay, or categories wise I can try it. I want you to try it. Full star equals to, write it here, one star symbol. Okay, so automatically if you write it the full star one, it will come with the full star, sir. Now, so now how can I give with the half star? Const empty star, I'm giving it this. I know it's not right. I will check it some image for empty star so that it will work nicely. Now let's go here. It's a basic math logic. Math dot whatever the number they are giving it, I will give math dot floor rating. I'm just doing it a basic logic. Const full stars. Uh, const has half star equals to rating modulus 10. Not equals to 0. Whether you are having some half stars or not. Empty stars equals to max stars minus full stars minus, I will check it if I have has half star. If it is 1, else 0. Last but not least, return. If in interview they ask you, they are asking about logic ma. Okay, I am just going with the logic. So full star dot repeat. You can use something like repeat, string repeat will be there. Do you know string repeat function? String repeat, if you give one kind of value, for example, if you write it prasad dot repeat 2, it will print prasad. Okay, so I wanted full stars to print it how many times I wanted, like how many full stars are there, that many times I wanted to print. Okay, plus has half star. Okay, has half star, it will give you true or false. Okay, imagine if I am true, else empty one. I'm just returning one string plus empty strings. Empty string, empty star dot repeat, empty stars. String or boolean is not assignable to boolean. Why I'm getting it a string or boolean, something kind of one. Mhm. Const half star equals to half. Go here. Half star. JS. Mm-hmm. No, 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 no. Half star symbol. Go here. Symbol codes. Symbol codes. JS. No, not this. HTML symbol code in JS. Actually, I can print it directly. Why I'm not getting it is the problem. Let's try it. Will it work? Octal escape sequences are not allowed. Use the syntax half star. So if someone asks you, the basic logic is so simple. In Angular, you will use some kind of pipe. Now in this pipe, what I did, sir, I just checked it like first I will take three constants. One constant is full star, one constant is half star, one constant is empty star. For empty star also I will take the code empty star. Now, now I just checked it. First, if they are giving 4.9, sir, I will check it like 4.9. I will just do math at floor. 4 will come. So I want 4 number of full stars. Okay. I will also check it like modulus 1, and I will also check it like is anything is coming it or not. Okay. Modulus. If it is coming something, sir, half star is there. Like I'm just boolean. I'm just checking is half star is there or not. Now I'm also checking it like total maximum number of stars are 5. Imagine I'm getting it, some half stars are there, 1. So half star is there, 1. Basically half stars will be 1 only, always 1. If half star is there, 1. If half star is not there, 0. So total number of stars minus full stars minus 1 or 0, you will get the empty stars. So total full stars, empty stars and half stars, I am printing it here. Now I will go here. I will go here. I will write it here inside the products HTML. I will write a pipe. Hope it works. If any symbol codes are not working, I will just check it the octal code. Ah, it's are not working, Ray. JS octal codes per half star symbol. Ray. Sir, you are searching it for numbers. Oh, sorry. That is why I'm not getting half star symbol. Why don't I try this? If I know how to print it that symbol here, automatically you will get it. If you can even use image also actually. You can even use IMG here. What about full star is not coming? Only half star is coming. Console.log, full stars, comma, half star, comma, empty star. Now in the meanwhile, this one is working nicely. So I will use my logic to get it not only half star for empty star. Nine. Why everything I'm getting it only empty star, only one star? I'm getting it only full star symbol, rare, remaining all are not coming. And even full star symbol showed the full star symbol also I want it like multiple times na. Why it is printing it only one time? See, it is printing it full star, three star, this three. So it should print three times now. यस, इन कंसोल इट्स प्रिंटिंग अच्छा से. कंसोल में अच्छा में प्रिंट हो रहा है. Here it's printing it. Okay, full star. But when I give this, it is not printing. तो किधर wrong है? नहीं, तो wrong है इधर. It is correct, coming correctly only. देखो, empty star is also coming. Okay, so only this middle wala is not coming. Write some logic with middle wala, sir. Okay, any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? No. Yeah, that's it for today. And tomorrow we'll do product page, each product ka page, and we'll do cart and we'll update it. We'll do checkout. That's it. Okay. And also I will give you interview questions and all. Any doubts? No. Yeah, I will push the code into the GitHub. Please try it. Okay. Yeah. If possible, try to make it more better. Tomorrow will be our last class, ma. If you have any doubts, also you can bring it up tomorrow. I already pushed it into the Git. Thank you all.